Hi, I'm here today with my grandmother, the owner and co-founder of Linganore Wine Cellars, Lucille Allen. We're here today to make shrimp tacos. My mom and I make it all the time because we both really enjoy cooking, and we've made multiple different recipes, and we think this is the best one that we'll be sharing with you today. The first step we're going to do today is peel and marinate the shrimp. Now what we're going to do is make the mango salsa. It has 1 ripe mango, a half of a red onion, cilantro, lime juice, red peppers, and jalapenos. In addition to the mango salsa, we also have our cilantro lime salsa. Now we're going to fry up some tortillas in a pan so they get that crunchy taste. Grandma, what kind of wine would you like?
I don't have white raven.
White Raven? We chose these kinds of wines because they have a fuller flavor, like the tacos, and they complement each other. We hope you enjoy this recipe and share it with others.